Welcome. In this video, Xcn Liquidity cleared. When is the attack? We will analyze it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and please watch to the end to understand.
First of all, the expression that there is such a downtrend and that the price must break this trend actually marks an extremely important turning point in technical analysis. A downtrend is considered a strong structure that emerges when a financial instrument consistently makes lower highs and lower lows within a certain period, showing that sellers dominate the market and buyers have not yet managed to take control. The statement that the price must break this trend means that the selling pressure has come to an end, that a new era in the market may be about to begin, and that the bulls are preparing to take the stage. In technical analysis, trend breakouts are generally considered one of the strongest signals that change investor psychology, the balance of supply and demand in the market, and overall tendencies. This is because the trend line is a visual reference point followed by a large portion of market participants, and when the price breaks it, it clearly reveals the collective perception has begun to shift. Saying that a downtrend needs to be broken also indicates that the price, which has been under pressure in the market for a long time, is preparing to recover with the strength of buyers. As the price keeps moving lower during the downtrend, the pressure on investors increases, confidence declines, and many assume the decline will continue, leading them to sell. However, when the price breaks this downward line to the upside, psychology flips. The pressure that kept dragging the market down is now broken by strong buyer demand. This breakout, in a sense, shows that the market is breathing, exiting the downtrend, and potentially entering a healthier upward cycle. When such a breakout occurs, buyers' confidence in the market increases, new entries come in, and upward moves gain a stronger foundation. The importance of this breakout lies not only in the change of direction, but also in what the trend itself represents. A downtrend over time has weakened investor confidence, worsened expectations, and kept the market under constant selling pressure. Therefore, the breaking of such a trend is not just a technical reversal, but also a psychological threshold. Many investors find it difficult to trust bullish signals before the trend is broken, because the trend line has historically turned prices lower time and time again. But when the trend is broken, those past experiences lose relevance and a new market perception comes into play. That's why the breaking of a downtrend represents not only a technical, but also an emotional transformation. In addition, once the downtrend is broken, it is usually accompanied by a series of positive signals from technical indicators. For example, after breaking the trend, the price may start holding above moving averages, volume may increase, and momentum indicators may move into positive territory. All of these support the reliability of the breakout. Because a trend breakout on its own can sometimes be misleading, additional confirmations provide investors with more confidence. Volume, in particular, is one of the most important factors in measuring the strength of a breakout. If volume rises significantly as the price breaks the downtrend, it shows strong buyer demand has entered the market and confirms that the breakout is not false, but a genuine change in direction. What happens after the breakout is also very critical. Usually after breaking a trend line, the price comes back to retest that area, which is called a pullback or throwback in technical analysis. If the price bounces upward again after this retest, it strongly confirms that the breakout is valid. In that case, the broken trend line, which used to act as resistance, now becomes support. This opens the door to new rallies. Therefore, the breaking of a downtrend is not just about crossing a line, but about the complete shift in the market's overall structure. Downtrend breakouts often create major opportunities for medium and long-term investors. As long as the trend continues, investors usually stick to short-term moves. But when the trend breaks, it could signal the start of a new bullish trend. This gives investors a chance to capture gains over a longer period. As a result, when the breakout happens, the market becomes fertile ground for new opportunities. Investors start acting with more confidence, buying appetite increases, and overall sentiment turns positive. From another perspective, saying that the price must break a downtrend is based on the core principle of technical analysis itself. One of the most important rules is that the trend is your friend. If the trend is down, investors tend to take short positions. But when the trend is broken, the old friend is no longer valid and the new friend becomes the new direction, upward. This change forces investors to reshape their strategies. Professional investors and large funds especially watch trend breakouts closely because these breakouts often signal long-term shifts in market direction.
The psychological importance of such a breakout is also significant. As long as the downtrend continues, fear, anxiety, and pessimism dominate the market. People sell out of fear of losing their assets or hesitate to buy. But once the trend is broken, fear gives way to hope. Investors now believe the downtrend has ended and that a new bullish phase has begun. This attracts new participation into the market. Investors who have been waiting on the sidelines now enter with confidence. Ultimately, the breaking of a downtrend becomes a turning point that fundamentally changes market dynamics. Of course, not everything changes overnight after a trend breakout, but as the price steadily moves upward over time, the credibility of the breakout grows stronger. At that point, investors start to think more patiently and in the long term, because a breakout represents much more than just a short-term move. It reflects a power shift in the market, from sellers to buyers, showing that the rules of the game have changed. That's why saying the price must break such a downtrend carries enormous importance, as it can transform the entire perception of the market. In conclusion, saying that the price must break a downtrend is not just a technical detail, but a turning point in the market. The trend line has historically held prices down and turned them lower at every attempt. But once the breakout happens, a new chapter begins. Hope and confidence are restored, buyers take control. This breakout is crucial technically, psychologically, and strategically. Therefore, the statement that the price must break the downtrend sends a powerful message that investors are about to step into a new bullish cycle. But we cannot decide an analysis based on trends only, so let's also look at the other metrics. Stay tuned.
In the MACD indicator, an upward crossover is often considered one of the strongest and most reliable buy signals in technical analysis because this structure indicates a significant shift in price momentum. Essentially, the MACD measures the difference between two moving averages and shows the acceleration of that difference. Therefore, when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, it signals that the price is now moving upward with greater strength compared to the past. This situation generally reflects that buyers are gaining dominance in the market while sellers are losing strength. As a result, such an upward crossover directly impacts market psychology, and many investors choose to take positions at this point. Consequently, prices tend to launch into an upward attack, a sudden and strong upward move. With this crossover, not only a short-term bounce in prices is often observed, but also a longer-term trend change. This is because the signal indicates that prices are either rebounding from the bottom or that the current uptrend is strengthening. The reason investors place importance on this signal is that the MACD measures the speed and direction of price momentum, making it more reliable than some other indicators. Especially when upward crossovers occur after bottom regions, the likelihood of a strong trend beginning increases significantly. In this context, an upward crossover in the MACD is considered an early sign that prices may enter a new upward wave, and when this signal occurs, a major buying wave is triggered in the market almost instantly. The size of price movements following such a crossover depends on the strength of the current trend in the market. If the market is already in an uptrend, an upward crossover in the MACD can accelerate this trend even further, leading to a strong rally in prices. However, if prices have been in a downtrend for a while and the crossover occurs, it can be an important signal that the downtrend has ended and a sharp recovery may take place. What investors often do at this point is wait for prices to break key resistance levels technically. If the MACD upward crossover occurs while prices are also breaking a significant resistance line, this creates a chain reaction in prices, with buying activity multiplying. As a result, the anticipated attack in price begins, and this surge is often stronger than the market initially expects. One key point here is that the MACD not only provides a crossover signal, but also confirms the strength of the move with its histogram. Since the histogram shows the difference between the short-term and long-term averages, when it starts growing upward, it indicates increasing buying pressure in the market. This growth, along with the crossover, shows that prices are gaining momentum and that buyers are now overpowering sellers. That's why when analyzed alongside the price chart, the upward crossover in the MACD is more than just a technical signal, it also indicates that market psychology is beginning to shift. Investor confidence grows, risk appetite rises, and as a result of this collective behavior, prices start to climb rapidly. In highly liquid markets, price moves following a MACD crossover are much more pronounced because major players do not ignore this signal. When they buy, strong volume increases accompany the price rise. Volume growth in turn is another confirmation that the uptrend is healthy. This indicates that prices will not only experience a short-term bounce, but can also evolve into a longer-term rally. For this reason, many investors not only look at the crossover signal, but also check volume, and when these two factors align, they open positions with confidence. In such a situation, the market usually launches an upward attack, and prices experience visible acceleration.
The reason why the upward crossover is such a strong signal also lies in the psychology of technical analysis among investors. Since most traders use similar indicators, these crossovers often trigger collective movements. Many investors die at the same time, pushing the price higher. As the price rises, more investors join the move, further strengthening the upward momentum. At this point, FOMO, fear of missing out, kicks in, accelerating the price attack even more. Thus, not only from a technical perspective, but also from a psychological one, the MACD crossover acts as a catalyst for price increases. For this reason, an upward price surge after such a signal becomes almost inevitable. Moreover, the MACD crossover signal often appears in the early stages of trend reversals, giving investors an advantage. For example, if prices have been flat after a long downtrend and the MACD shows an upward crossover, it signals that prices are starting to move upward from the bottom. If an investor takes an early position at this point, they can capture the maximum gains from the upcoming rally. This is why the MACD crossover is considered such a valuable signal in the market and why it can lead to sudden, sharp, and strong price attacks. For all these reasons, an upward crossover in the MACD is not only an indication given by a technical indicator, but also provides a strong forecast of the future direction of prices. The price surge that follows this signal can often generate visible gains in the short term, and in longer-term trends can mark the beginning of major rallies. It is very important that investors do not ignore this signal and instead evaluate it alongside price movements to shape their decisions accordingly. Because although not every single time, in the vast majority of cases, an upward crossover in the MACD has signaled a strong price surge, and it continues to do so. In short, an upward crossover in the MACD indicator is one of the most important technical signals indicating that prices will accelerate upward. When this structure occurs, buying pressure quickly increases, investor psychology turns bullish, confidence is reinforced with rising volume, and a strong upward wave in prices begins. For this reason, this signal is not only a crossover, but also a sign of a brand new rally phase in the market.
When the price dips below the most recent low with a wick and then bounces back, it is a highly important and meaningful signal in technical analysis. This kind of movement often represents liquidity collection in the market, that is, triggering stop-loss orders and flushing out the weakest hands. Liquidity is the area where buy and sell orders are concentrated. Most traders, especially amateurs or short-term players, place their stop-loss orders just below the previous low. For them, that low is the most critical level where they believe the price will not fall further. However, market makers or large players are aware of the liquidity sitting below that level and push the price briefly beneath it to collect all those orders. When the price dips down, many traders are stopped out, their positions are closed, and a brief panic sets in. But this panic usually doesn't last long because the real goal is to clear out the orders in that zone and then drive the price upward. The psychology behind this is very important. Small traders or those who follow the market superficially panic and sell when the price wicks below the low. For big players, however, these sales are an opportunity because they can buy in bulk at a lower price. This provides the fuel needed for an upward move. That is why the wick forms. The price quickly dips down, triggers the orders, and then is immediately pulled back up. In the end, the candle closes above the low. This structure is also called a liquidity grab or stop hunt. The main reason why this is considered a bullish signal is because the market has now offloaded its burden at that level. Since all the stops clustered there have been taken out, there's no longer a strong reason for the price to keep falling. Once liquidity has been collected, the price usually relaxes and starts turning upward because the trigger for further downside is gone. On the contrary, the groundwork for a move higher has been laid. Large players who bought at the lows have an incentive to push the price higher. Thus, both technically and psychologically, the odds of a reversal increase. The price dipping below the low with a wick and then recovering can also be seen as a false breakout. Many traders believe the support has actually broken and rush to sell, but immediately after, the price climbs back above support. Because it was a false breakout, it is often followed by a strong rally as the support level is still intact. This structure suggests that an upward move is now more likely. Another key factor to watch is the length of the wick. The longer the wick, the more liquidity has been taken. A long wick shows that many traders were stopped out and that big players accumulated significant amounts, which signals the potential for a stronger rally. If the wick is short, less liquidity may have been captured and the chance of a reversal is weaker. Still, the most critical point is that the close remains above the support level. It's important to know that market makers use this kind of move frequently. The market is not only about technical indicators, psychology is just as decisive. Fear, panic selling, the triggering of stop orders, and emotional trading decisions are the very situations big players take advantage of. That's why a wick below the low is part of the game's nature. Most small traders lose money during these moves, while patient and knowledgeable traders turn them into opportunities. When such a wick forms, the general market expectation becomes there's no reason left to go lower, liquidity has been taken, the market will turn up. This expectation is self-reinforcing. Many traders buy with this logic. Demand rises, the price goes up, and as it climbs, more traders jump in. This chain reaction supports the rally. In other words, the psychological confidence that follows a wick strengthens the upward move. In the long term, these kinds of wicks can also signal major trend reversals. If such a move occurs in a market that has been in a downtrend for a long time, it can be a strong sign that the decline is ending and a rally may begin. In a bear market, the patience of small traders is tested one last time, and once most have been shaken out, the price changes direction. This is a classic market cycle. In conclusion, when the price dips below the previous low with a wick and then bounces back, it indicates that liquidity has been cleared, small traders have been flushed out, and large players have accumulated positions. For this reason, it often marks the beginning of an upward trend. Of course, there are no certainties in the market, but this technical and psychological structure shifts the probability strongly in favor of a rally. A wick below the low that closes above support is one of the strongest signals that the market is ready to turn upward.
Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.